This program can actually help you get to the point where you make at least $2,600+ every month if you're going to do what I'm going to show you in this particular video, right? It's going to be a step-by-step guide. I'm going to walk you through and I'm going to show you guys what you must do. All right, so if you're in a place like Nigeria, if you're in African countries, right, and you are looking for an affiliate program to join to make money online, this particular affiliate program is for you. Because why? It works worldwide. All right, it works in Africa and it works worldwide. All right, and the affiliate commission is very huge. It's up to 50% affiliate commission when you sell a product from this particular platform. Now you don't need to worry about selling, because in this particular video, guys, before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to sell a product from this particular platform. All right, come over right here, click on join now, and you sign up. And once you've gotten your affiliate link, you start making money. But let me show you guys something right now. Remember that when we were here, let's go back to this home section and let me show you guys how I'm sure that you can actually make up to $2,000+ a month, right? Because let's scroll all the way down. Let's look at this. So if we come over right here, look at this. This one right here, if you purchase it, if they purchase a product for $179, they get a discount of over $170, right? They like 50% slash in price. They pay $180 approximately, or let's say $179. If they pay this and you're getting a percentage, so you get 50% of $179, right? Because if we come over right here, remember this is $179, right? And we scroll the way down, and join this affiliate program. If you come over right here and join affiliate program, and we come over right here and click on join this right here, we see this platform helps us to get over 50% commission. Now we're not buying the products, we're not buying these products to resell, we're just going to basically resell from this platform. And you can see that the product works. Make a research. Because I've seen that this product works, that is why I'm showing it to you guys. Now, because it works, people will always come back to buy what works. All right. So if you're selling this particular product, people can actually come back and buy. And when they buy this product, you make recurring income. All right. So we'll see that this product packages. We have the one that is showed at $59. That is approximately $60 per for 30 days. All right. And this person can actually go ahead and save $10. I'm just trying to show you how you can promote this right now. So you actually tell your clients or whoever it is that's going to buy from you that they can actually save $10 when they buy this particular product from you. All right. Now don't rush now, because I'm going to show you how to promote this. All right. And at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to leave you a bonus. Right. I'm going to leave you a bonus tip. All right. So you can see that here, this one charges this product right here, the 2 months package plan sells for approximately $120, while this one sells approximately $180, right? So this is one we're working with. So we're trying to sell at least this 3 months package program, because if they take this product for 3 months, they're gonna surely have like testimonies, and then they're gonna refer their friends, and they're gonna buy this particular product from this particular website, and you're still going to make money. All right. So now, guys, I'm going to walk you through this. Let's take it easy. So all I have to do is scroll all the way down. You come over right here where we'll have affiliate program. All right. Now we're going to click on that. But before I continue, guys, I know you like this video and you like the value that I'm going to offer you. That I'm already offering you in this particular video, right? So if you like what I'm doing already, don't hesitate. Be sure hit the subscribe button. All right. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon, alright? Because I'll be dropping awesome videos that will help you get to the point where you make money online. So let's click on the affiliate program. So click on become an affiliate. So it said Zotrim affiliate program. It says earn up to $40 per sale, right? So basically you're gonna earn up to $40 when you sell a product right here. So let's scroll down and let's see the website. So it says average order value is about $61.03. And we have average conversion rate is $22.70. $22.70. Let's say 20%. So it will have about 1,000. If you refer like 1,000 persons to this particular platform, because of how this platform is and because of what they stand for, about 20% of that 1,000 is going to come by this product. All right. And I'm not very good at math, but I think yeah, 20% of 1,000 is about 200. Right? So if you have 200 persons buying your products, right? 200 persons buy your products, and you earn for up to one sell. You're earning $40 for up to a sell. Do the math. That's a lot of money, right? That's a lot of money. You can do that, the math in your head, and come to the comment section and put it down in the comment section, guys. Do that right now. Do the math. Come to the comment section and do that right now. All right. So you see the benefit of this product. So they're giving you hints on what you can tell your customer, your audience. All right. Now I'm going to tell you how to promote this, because that is the most important thing. If you know this affiliate marketing program and you don't know how to promote it, you're not going anywhere, right? So they have live chat support. They have, like, the benefit of joining this website is free worldwide shipping. All right. So when you tell your clients that they're going to ship it free to any location that they are in, they are going to buy this product. Multi-buy offers and savings. They're going to save you, like I showed you earlier. They save you a percentage. You buy a product of what, $60. They save you a percent. They save like $10, right? Which you end up paying like $50-something, right? You have a mobile friendly website, and you can see this website is mobile friendly. Free guide with purchases. Yeah, they can guide you on that one. You have live chat support. So you see that, you see this right here. This is live chat support, and if I click on it, I'm going to start chatting them, right? And I can get money back guarantee. So you tell your clients that if they do not like the product, they can get their money back. And there is, clients always love this stuff, right? And these clients can go ahead and check them out on social media. This is what people want. People will check out the product and they want to verify from the social media space, and they can go ahead and check it, right? So this shows that this product is actually a very nice one. All right. So they're gonna help you with stuff you can actually promote this this product with, right? So this helps us up to 50% to 70% commission. So let's say we're earning 50% commission, and if we do the math right here, because I'm not good at math, so I have to use a calculator, right? So if we do about 50% of $179, it will give us about 89.5%, right? And if we pull up our calculator right here and we do the math, and we're able to sell about 30 of this product, like sell a particular product each day, we sell a product each day for 30 days, and in a month we can actually make at least $2,685. This is just as side hustle, right? And you can actually get to the point where you do this. Now let me not waste much of your time. Let's get to the part where I show you guys how you're going to promote this product. Now, how do you promote this product? How do you promote this product? All right, so you can actually look for a place where we have a lot of audience, right? People who are audience, who are interested in the kind of product you're going to sell, right? I'm going to show you where you can get this, right? So you have this particular tool right here. It's called findaforum.net. findaforum.net. Now the affiliate program is called zotrim.com, right? So this one, the tool right here is called findaforum.net. So when it comes to findaforum.net, they have various categories, various forums that can actually join and start making money, right? So click on categories right here. Let's bring this down. Okay, let's bring it up and click on this, browse all categories, and we'll browse on all categories. And if we scroll down, we have a lot of categories right here. So if you're not just in the health and fitness niche, the weight loss niche, there are various niches you can actually get to. You can actually join art and literature, business and economy, all right? Or you could scroll down and have computers and internet, family and home, games and entertainment, government and politics. Now this is where we are at, all right? We have health, and we have about 157 forums. Categories under health. 157 categories under health, and under these categories we now have the forums. So let's say dieting and weight loss. Let's open dieting and weight loss, and if we open it right now, you're going to see various forums. All right, so there are various forums right here. All right, so you come over, scroll the way down. You see there is fat chicks and on a diet weight. We have weight loss forum, we have active low carb forums, we have fitness.com, right? So these are different forums, and if you look at this one right here, made its number of posts public. The number of posts on this one is about 4.6 million posts. It means that this particular forum is very active. All the rest of these ones are very active, but they've hidden the number of their members and the number of the posts that they have on the forum, right? So on this one we have that this one right here, 4.6 million, and we have low carb friends. This one has about 3.5 million posts. It means that this particular forums are very active, right? So all you have to do is join all of these forums. Now when you've joined all of those forums, you're going to start being active on the forums. You're going to, like, the people in the forum who are interested in, they're interested and they want to reduce their weight, they want to lose weight. Now all you have to do is sell them the product, but you're not going to sound salesy. You're not going to sound salesy at first. You're going to start by providing them value, right? Go on the internet, search about weight loss, read stuff about weight loss, get yourself educated, and once you've done that, come back to this particular platform, educate them, tell them the ways they can actually reduce their weight. And once you've done that, you can actually go in between option and then tell them about a product that helped you reduce weight. Now you've offered them value, right? You've gotten their attention, and then the next thing you're doing right now, you're not sounding saucy. You're telling them, oh, I was in this condition before, and all I'm trying to, you can say is a lie, but then you know it's a lie, but then this is actually marketing. All right? Or you could tell them your friend who was this, had to go from being this big to being this, lost about 10 pounds 10 pounds in a month. All right, you first of all sell them value for free and then drop your affiliate link. Don't spam the forums, and don't sound salesy. All right, so when you've done this, just relax back, chill, and allow people in the forums to actually click on the affiliate link, and when they make purchases, you get to buy. Now if we have millions of members on this particular forums, and when you join all of those forums, you get to join all of those forums and you offer value in all of those forums, there is no way you're not going to sell at least a product a day. It's magical, and it sounds too unreal, but you can get to that point where you do that. Believe in yourself and get to the point where you can do that. All right, now let's talk about the bonus tip, right? So if you don't like Zotrim.com, you want to work with other affiliate programs, because maybe you've worked with other affiliate programs and you want to work with multiple affiliate programs. All you have to do is just come to Google, right? Google is actually a very good place. Come over right here and come to Google search bar and search for health affiliate programs, and you're going to see list of affiliate programs that you can join. All right, so this one says top health affiliate programs in 2024. Click on it and just join. All right, there are platforms that they've written right here. Now if you don't want to do that, I'll do this quickly and go away. If you don't want to do this, right, be sure to come over right here and type offervault.com. offervault.com. Now offervault.com houses different affiliate programs. So all you have to do is it shows you different affiliate programs and their payouts. It shows you the network and it shows you the payouts, and all you have to do is go ahead, join them, and you're on your way to making money online. All right, so having said that, guys, I'm actually going to allow you right now to go and put into action what I've shown you in this particular video. Right, so right now it's going to be a peace out, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace.